for higher education. Of that, only very few go for even a professional management education. Because when an economy is growing, it's the managers who are going to lead the show. And I'm sure that the education which is provided here has given you enough impetus to lead that growth as such. It's true that almost every speech today, every talk today starts speaking about what India is and the type of double-digit growth or close to double-digit growth and things like that. It's all around the world. But we should also understand this growth story is far from complete, which actually gives us a lot of opportunities. If you look at almost every sector, there's a huge amount of opportunities in front of us. Be it education, as I said, almost 80% are yet to be educated, especially in higher skills. And Mr. Ramana was mentioning about the type of skill gap, because you are actually passing out and starting a career at the right time. It's important for us to capture these opportunities to the extent possible. How do you do that? How do we actually make sure that you are riding the wave? You are on the forefront. I think that should be the challenge in each of you. Education must have given you the right skills outdated by now, because most of these are based upon what we call as the Fordian, the economics of competition for you. Let me also put few more thoughts for you on what more you need to look at if you really wanted to take about the opportunities as such. We are a part of a country, we are a part of an education, we are a part of something where we really stand. I have the knowledge, I have the power, and I can stand up and say that. And that is something which you need to look at. This also means that sometimes you need to challenge the myths. Mr. Ramana spoke about the lobbying, and you know that today we speak about so much bad about lobbying and what Meera Reddy did and that. But you know that the government many times is ignorant of things. Government may not even aware of it. And it is a lobbyist as a profession which has developed in the US for that. Yes, there are negatives of that. But as I said, it is not necessary that every lobbying should always be bad. You can have good ethical lobbying where you are basically making the decision makers aware of what is right. Did we ever did that? Like Mr. Ramana said, the passion to make sure that another person also smiles is something which I think each of us have to value. Maybe after 5 years, 10 years, you will come back here, maybe an assembly of, this is the 5th batch, maybe the 5th batch, 10th anniversary will come back. At that time, you should ask the question, in the last 10 years, other than the corporate achievements which I have, did I make...
Professors and all my dear friends, a very good afternoon to one and all. My journey in ABS was an awesome one. I don't have words to share it, but I could say that each moment, each minute I've spent in ABS is memorable. Starting from the classes where I used to have class lectures, giving presentations, writing exams, everything has given me a learning and an experience in ABS. One sentence to end it all, I'm proud to be an Arorian.
I'm Rakesh, as you all know me. And I once one more time remember this position, wherein for the many of the programs in the college I used to host and Kalyan used to compare with me. A very memorable moment once again, and thanks Dr. Ravi Paturi and all the faculty and staff of ABS for giving me this tremendous opportunity once again to speak in front of you, probably the last time in ABS. And as you all know me, and I'm really thankful for Dr. Ravi Paturi and ABS for giving me an opportunity in attending the placements, and I got placed in SpiceJet Airlines and I've worked there.
Mr. Raja Babu is now honored guest of honor. I request Mr. Raja. To live and spread this joy, our management has encouraged each of its students to work for a sustainable future. Behind the success of initiating green policies and projects for students are the people from various organizations. I include Mr. Raja Babu and Mr. N.V. Ramana for being our guests today. My sincere thanks to the parents and the alumni with whom we would be anyway in touch for life. My sincere thanks to the coordinators, faculty, and their support to make this occasion possible a success. Thank you all. Have a good day.
Rashmi Kalpana B.
Sagar Kasar. Soumya S. Soumya S. Soumya's father. Ranjan Sahu, Rahul Karade. Vivek. Thanks.
This definitely helps us in our whole life. And the mantra is actually told by Baba Ranchod Das Chanchak. So, I hope